After so many days of weather, hot and humid, uh, everyone in Bangalore we were suffering crazily, and here it lashes out crazy. The rains have been kind. Today it's raining heavily, and obviously, anyways, we are blessed with such good infrastructure that we don't have to go in search of swimming pools. The water logging has already started in most part of the city, and today's traffic will be beautiful. So please drive carefully. I You might be a great driving expert, but the infrastructure also you need to understand.